Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLVS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Done this analysis several times this past week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But very nice movement today, so need some updates here heading into the weekend. So first, going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of these lines. Yes, those levels pertain. They're just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting. And that rule states that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into today, that level right there at 820 had been an area of resistance, but now that the price is above it, this would be considered a level of support. And what I'd call the ideal level of support, meaning if you're asked, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Well, ideally speaking, if the price can stay up above 820, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below that level or anything like that, then the entire chart's destroyed. But yeah, if the price could stay above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 820 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance moving forward? As far as where the sellers are at, first key level, nothing fancy or complicated other than where the party stopped today, and that was at 875. If the price can get up through 875, next key overarching level after that, so I've gone to the daily time frame here just to make things a little bit easier to see. But after 875, next key level right up there, let's see, what is that, about 955. So there's definitely some room for the price to continue to move here. But yeah, crazy to think that just a few weeks ago, price was down below 4, and now it's up over 100% from there. So yeah, let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.